Hi friends, welcome to Durgasoft. My name is Ratan. So we are discussing Python entry questions. The question number 75. What is docstring in Python? Documentation string, or we can call it as a docstring, right? Because documentation string or docstring to write the multiple lines of description about the methods and variables and class to make the documentation basically. Because documentation string or docstring we are calling it as a just like this is like documentation comments. Whatever the code written, either class or method or variable or functions, I want prepare some documentation about my functions and methods or classes. To prepare the documentation about the data, you can go for the docstring. You got the point, right? Documentation string or what? Docstring. Multi-line string is used to document a specific code segment. I want to document my code. Docstring is used to document my code, guys. What are the code I written? I want to document it. To document it, we need to go for what? Documentation string. Declaring docstring. Sir, how to declare the docstring, sir? In Python, we will declare the docstring. Either we can use 3 single quotes, guys, 3 single quotes, or we can use 3 double quotes. You can prepare the docstring using what? 3 single quotes or 3 double quotes we can use. So on the top of the class, on top of the method, on top of the function, we can go for, right? Exactly. Whatever the docstring I added in my code, I want to get the docstring. To get the docstring, we have the 2 ways. How can we get the docstring means? One is like underscore doc underscore is there. Docstring. To get the docstring, underscore doc underscore we will use, right? We will use, right? That is called docstring. Otherwise, one more thing is what? Help function. Help function also we can get a docstring, right? Yeah, accessing the docstring, there are 2 ways, ma. One is underscore doc underscore magic function is there, we can get that data. Otherwise, another one is what? Help function. Help function you can get a documentation string. There's 3 points, guys. Docstring or documentation string used to write the description about the document the block of code, document the block of code segment. The docstring should describe what the function or method does, is giving information about what the code you written, that's it. Docstring is giving information about your code, and how can we will declare the docstring using 3 double quotes or 3 single quotes. You can get the docstring, what are the docstring you written. How can you get the docstring? There are 2 ways to get a docstring. Tell me here, how many ways? 2 ways to get the docstring. What are the 2 ways means what? One is underscore doc underscore number 1, and number 2 is what? Using help function, guys. You got the point, right? Someone is asking, tell me what is the docstring in Python means. You have to do the explanation like that. What is the purpose of the docstring means? To write the information about the code segment to document. To prepare the document about the code, and how can we declare the docstring means double quotes or single quotes, and how can we access the docstring means using 3 using underscore doc, otherwise help function, right? Exactly. Guys, can please take this snippet, this small code here. So here, let me take this code, run this code here. So let me go for the Python. Yeah, let me go with what? Java, others, select the Python code is there, right? Python code. Just you can write the code, this one. Because in my function, just I added this is a documentation string. I am giving information about what? My code. Assume like I have some logics here. For that logics, I written the documentation string. Either 3 double quotes, 3 single quotes I can use, or we can use 3 double quotes also. Okay, 3 single quotes or what? 3 double quotes, right? To get that here, if I underscore name is there, underscore main, my function dot underscore doc . This line will get the documentation string about my code, right? Can please save this code in local disk D first.py. Just open the command prompt. In the command prompt local disk D. How can you run the code, guys? Python. The file is called what? First.py. Okay, this is documentation string. We got the 2 times, right? Why 2 times means first case we are getting with the help of let me go with the first one is what? Remove this one. If you remove this one, so you can write this code. This is underscore doc will work. Underscore doc will work like this. Otherwise, second one is what? Using help function. To help function, this one help of my function. Let me remove this one. Yeah, help of my function, right? Help of my function, we can get the same data. My function is that this is a documentation string, right? So there are two ways to get a documentation string. One is like using underscore underscore doc underscore underscore, and second one is what using help function, right? Help of my function. So you got the point, right? Yes. Documentation string, doc string. It's a multi-line string used to document a specific code, right? Code segment. Used to document what specific code segment. It is used to describe like your methods, classes, and functions and all. Declare the doc string 3 single quotes, or we can make it 3 double quotes, and access the doc string in the two ways. One is underscore underscore doc underscore underscore. Otherwise, second one is what? Using help function, right? I execute that code also, right? Yeah. Because I think by seeing this all the questions, you're getting some confidence, right? I'm able to crack the interview, right? This is a question number how much? Question number 75. What is a doc string in Python? Underscore underscore doc. Documentation, guys. Documentation about the code what we written, right? And how to declare and how to access. What is a doc string? How to declare and how to access. There are two ways to access the doc string, right? Underscore underscore doc underscore 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 doc underscore underscore, and second one is what? Using help function, right? Exactly. Guys, I think all the questions are going good, right? I hope you understood all the questions. Can please write all the questions, and you have the documentation about all the questions. Just you can read all the questions, be careful, and you will get some information. Okay, I can attempt any interview. You can crack any interview. That's it. Apart from these questions, if anyone is asked, what we will do? At least they ask the 10 questions. Minimum, I can guarantee that 7 questions you will get out of this 100 only. Minimum 7 questions. Got the point, right? Yeah. So thank you guys. Try to inject some knowledge in your mind so that automatically get the confidence. Okay. So thank you guys. Thanks for watching. Meet in next video. We'll go for next question.